Yeah, hello guys. Hi everyone. In this video, we continue our building our sound recorder app. So, on the last video, in the last video we did part 5, whereby we were working on record fragment, and we didn't finish it because the tutorial was taking longer. So, in this video, we continue where we ended last time. So, this is part 6. So, let's continue, guys. So just to show you where we ended last time, I'm going to run the application right now. Okay, so let me run the application. Let's see where we ended last time. So just to remind you guys, make sure you subscribe my channel. It's very important because it will be first of all get notification whenever I upload any video, and also it will motivate me a lot to do more amazing videos for you guys. So make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and then we are good to go. Make sure you subscribe my channel, guys. It's very important. So it's running right now. So it's installing. Yes. So here, that's where we ended last time. So when you click this floating action button, the timer it starts, and then so the recording started, and then the timer starts picking up. So it just shows us how long recording takes. So okay, so we can, if you click and stop, and then the timer stop, and also the button changes to go to this icon, right? So that's where we ended last time. So just to show, this is about fragment. So when we click this button, which is a record button, we start recording, right? So so we start the timer, and also we change the button icon, and we put the message here, and also we make sure that the recording folder is created, and then then we proceed, right? So in this video, I think we continue by making using this logic to record. Because if I would have to show you, just let me show you okay, if I go to the files, okay, let me show you what I'm trying to do. You see, so now I'm going to search here files to show you that folder, recording folder, is created. Go to files, and then if you go here to internal, and if you go down here, you have sound recorder, this one. You see, so the folder was created, I think it was here because I did it yesterday, so we created it already. So now we need, when we click that record button, if we click that record button, if you click this one, we want to start recording, and then that file, we want it to be saved in that recording folder that I showed you, right? So now we are going to use, in order to record the voice, we are going to use this media recorder. We are going to use this media recorder to record your sound, right? So I just want to show, okay, so we're going to use this media recorder to start recording, right? So yes, okay, so in that case, then first of all, okay, so here after we okay, after we created this one, we started the timer, then we need to create a method which is going to we need to create the file name. We need to create the file name where that audio file will be created in. So we need to create that name of the file where this where this that file will be the name, because the name should be unique, you see. So when you get the first time and you get the second time, the name should be different. So we should have a method which will generate. So get file name, recording file name, get recording file name. Alright, so this is the method. So in this method, let me create method. So this is the method, right? So inside this method, first of all, I want this okay. So I'm going to use because as I said, I want this to be unique, so I want to put some logic here. So first of all, I will use date format, and then date format, which will be maybe, let's say, simple. Simple, or let's say just date format, whatever. So to name simple date format. Inside that we'll put, so here we're going to put the date format that we want to use. So let's say I want to use year, then month, then I want to put date, and to see hours, then minute, then second, right? So so I'll see that's what will be my date format. And then I want to use the current date, the current date time when you are coding. That's one I want to capture it. So what I'll do, I'll just create another variable which will be maybe say current date, current date time, which will be sorry, we'll use that simple date. This date format, dot format. If you want to grab new date, just say new date here. So now this will give us the current date and time. So the current date and time when we are recording, right? So yes, so that's our current date time. Then after here, what we're supposed to do is I think after grabbing this one, what we need else is so okay, so I want to use do while loop here, and use do while loop, do this while that file, you see the file we created up there. So this file .exists, and it should not be director. So it is director. Alright, so okay, so what is happening here, guys, is that what's the problem here? Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to create a file name here. So we'll have two variables here. Let's create two variables, which is it should be string, I think, because we need to grab file name and file path, right? We need to have it when we are recording. We need to have the path and name where we want to save that recording that we are recording, right? So here I want to, okay, so I'll create so here up here I'm going to create two strings, which is string file name, those all have a string, so I have a string and file path, right? So after that, then so I have those two variables. So here I'm going to initialize them by file name. So this will be created by maybe we're going to generate it. So maybe recording. You can just give it a name, recording. Maybe then plus. We are trying to generate something that will be unique, right? So that's why we embed with the date and time, because we know somehow date is unique. Current date time, so plus the current date plus you can use .mp3 if you want. I say mp3, right? Because we need to be mp3, right? So while okay, so here that's file name. So we need to grab also file path. So file path. File path, how do we going to group this file path? We are going first for to get that folder, the recording folder that we created when we that we created here. Let me show you this folder. We need to grab this path here. See, that's where we want this file, this recording file to be located. So dot get external storage. So get external storage directory, and then I'm going to get a path. And then okay, so after getting that, then I'm going to file paths. Okay, so here after getting this path and plus I'm going to use this file.separator, and plus, so using this loop, and then after that I think we also need another file separator. Now after that we need to have that name sound like folder, which is this one, here. I need to check this one, and then that's where we want it to be located. and then I'll put a file separator again, separator, and then I'll plus with the file name that we generated here, and file name, so and file name, you see. So now we have our path where we want this to be created, right? So then after that I'm going to initialize my file. This here is because I didn't initialize this file, so I'll have this file. Let's go to new, then file, then here I'm going to put that in file path, right? So that is it. Okay, so now so this method will give us a file path that we need, this one. See, so okay, so after that I'm going to take this method and then use it here. So after we have successfully created a file name or file path, then we will start recording then. So we start using that recorder, media recorder. I will specify initialize it to new. Then after initializing it, then I'll have I'll have recorder, recorder, and media recorder. I will set the audio source to audio. Set audio source. Set audio source. Set audio source. So set audio source, which in this case we want to use a mic. So the media recorder dot audio source. So audio source dot mic. Right. So yep. So let me choose it. Okay. So yeah. Put mic, and then after that I'll put also the okay, and maybe recorder dot set output file. So output format first of all. So output format. Set output format. The format that we want it to be media recorder dot output format dot mp4. This one, MPEG-4. Then set output file path. So media recorder dot set output file. Set output file. So where do we want this to be? So we created that path. File path as well. We need this audio to be recorded, so to be saved, I mean. So after that, then we need to set an encoder. So media recorder dot audio encoder. Set encoder. Set audio encoder, which will be media recorder dot audio encoder. But I'll just use this AACC. You can just use a different one if you want. Then we have to put a channel, I think. Media recorder. Set channel. Channel, which one? Okay. So after that, then I'll put a try here. try mrecorder. Mrecorder.prepare. I'll put a try and catch here. So catch exception. So exception. So put a try and catch here while I'm preparing for recording. Yeah, and also then after that I'll start recording, and then it starts. Right? So now we have started recording. And so in this else part, well, maybe in this case we need to stop this recorder, right? Yeah, so in this else part we need to stop recording. So this is stop recording. I think we should create a method for that if you want, but if you don't want, you can just put try and catch also as usual. So try and catch. So we'll put exception here, x. Then in here, first of all, we want to put mrecorder, mmedia recorder, right? Dot stop. So if you stop, stop, and also we need also to mrecorder release. So release, okay, right? So now I think let's just go and test it, and then yeah, because I think the video is taking longer. So what I want to do, I just to test it, and then we'll use a file from that folder. So because we will save it in this folder. So if we have successfully recorded, the file will find it in this folder. So we go and check if the file is created, because now if I have to show you this, if I would have to show you okay, let's search here for file. So I have to show you this one from, okay, so this is the sound record. Now it is empty, you see, sound record is empty. So now I'm going to run it so that you can test the application if that folder that will have a file here. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to run it and check if the folder the file will be recorded. So let's check. So now I'm going to click this button. Yeah, so now it starts recording, right? So then I'm going to stop. Yeah, so if I go to a physical file here, so if I have to stop this out, so if I would have to navigate here, sound recorder, you see, so which is just now, so this is created now, you see. So if you have to play it, you see, yeah, so it has recorded successfully. So now we have succeeded to record our voice. So I think since this video is taking longer, I'm just going to stop here, and then yeah, we'll continue the next video whereby we are going to create we're going to work on this one. We're going to work on this. So now we are going to list to play that sound or voice that we have recorded. We're going to list it here. We're going to get all of those and then place them here, display them here, so that the user can play them easily, you see. So that's what we're going to work on the next video. So guys, yeah, just to remind you again, make sure you subscribe my channel so that when I upload any video, you will get a notification, and also it will motivate me a lot to do more amazing videos for you guys. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Let me wish you a good time. Cheers.